Hello, this video will show how to import 3D model into Daz Studio. After starting Daz Studio, we can click OK to start to build the scene. If we want to import the 3D model, we can go to File, Import, and then we can choose the file format here. For example, we can choose OBJ, FBX, 3ds, DAE. Personally, I import the OBJ file format and I choose the OBJ file and open. There's an option to choose. Make sure that the scale is 100% and accept it. So we got the 3D file here and we can submit to see it. If we want to import the FBX file, we can import it and choose FBX and select the file format and open it. Choose the options depends on your case and accept it. So we got the FBX file imported. This is how to import 3D model into Daz Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.